Welcome to Solink Corporation's Install and Connect video. Getting started. Inventory your equipment. Depending on your application, you'll be receiving an encoder or a network switch or a recorder box, and we'll ask you to supply your own tools. Step 1, unpacking the box. Once you've unpacked the recorder and you look at the rear panel, you'll see that there are 4 ports that are going to be used: the power, internet network, camera network, and optionally an HDMI monitor port. Step 2, power the recorder. The recorder takes 5 minutes to power up. We recommend that you do it first thing upon arriving on site. After powering up the recorder, unpack the encoder or network switch. These devices have mounting holes on the rear panel. Determine which holes you'd like to use, measure the distance between them. After identifying the mounting location, use the appropriate adapters to mount the encoder to the wall. Once properly located, power the encoder or network device. These devices come with their own power adapters. Plug the power adapter in the proper orientation. Move the internet connection from the existing device to the Connect recorder. Be sure to use the top internet network port. Connect the recorder to the encoder or the PoE switch using the supplied cable. Encoders come with 1 to 16 encoder ports in the form of BNC connectors on the rear panel. Disconnect the video camera from the existing device and connect to the first video port. Ensure the cable is properly seated. Repeat for as many video cables as there are at your location. If your site requires a local monitor, use an HDMI cable. Connect the cable to the HDMI port at the top of the recorder's rear panel and to the appropriate HDMI input of your local monitor. Finally, we recommend storing the keys for the recorder on the rear fan grille. Don't forget to remove the old equipment. Need extra help? Write to us at support@solinkcorp.com and we'll respond to all your questions.